What if the child you raised with love now speaks to you with disrespect? You gave your life to them time, energy, sacrifices, and now you feel invisible. No parent plans for this moment, and yet it happens quietly, painfully, in families everywhere. You start asking yourself, did I fail somewhere? Should I stay silent or speak up? You're not alone. In this video, we're pulling back the curtain on the 6 hidden ways to regain authority and respect without shouting, guilt, or emotional games. Stay till the end because the last one is the most unexpected, and it's the one that makes your child start respecting you again without even realizing it. Section 1. The silent erosion of respect. Disrespect never begins loudly. It starts in small tones, a sigh, an eye roll, a dismissive word. You ignore it, thinking, they're stressed, it'll pass. But here's the truth. When you ignore disrespect, it grows roots, and soon you're walking on eggshells in your own home. That's not love, that's emotional imbalance. So before we fix it, you must understand, respect isn't demanded. It's trained through boundaries, and boundaries begin with you, not them. Section 2 must reclaim, calm control. The first rule of respect is control not of your child, but of yourself. When you react in anger, you give away authority. When you respond in calm strength, you reclaim it. Here's the psychology behind it. The human brain, even your child's, mirrors the emotions it sees. If you stay grounded, they eventually lower their tone too. So, before any conversation, breathe. Pause. Speak slowly. Let silence do half the work. Because silence, when controlled, is power. Section 3. The power of emotional boundaries. You've probably heard this voice in your head, but if I set boundaries, they'll pull away. That's fear talking, not truth. Boundaries don't push people away. They teach others where respect begins. Try this. Instead of saying, don't talk to me like that, say, I want to continue this talk when we're both calm. You're not fighting. You're modeling emotional maturity. And here's the twist your child's subconscious learns from that. They begin to mirror the calm authority you show. Section 4. Stop trying to fix. Them parents often try to repair the adult-child guide, advise, lecture. But here's what psychology says. The more you try to fix someone who doesn't want to change, the more resistance you create. Your child no longer needs a manager, they need a mirror. Show strength, show peace. When you stop chasing their approval, they start noticing your worth again. It's emotional gravity, quiet but powerful. Section 5. Lead with quiet. Self-respect. Respect isn't a conversation, it's an energy your child feels when they see you stand tall, speak kindly, and live purposefully. Rebuild your routines. Reconnect with hobbies, friends, peace. Because when your identity doesn't revolve around them, it resets the dynamic. They sense it, they feel that shift, and slowly, they follow. Section 6. The most unexpected strategy. Here's the one most parents never consider. Forgive them silently. Not for their sake, for yours. Resentment keeps you emotionally tied to their behavior. Forgiveness cuts that cord. It doesn't excuse what they did. It just frees you from reacting to it. And that emotional freedom? That's when real authority returns calm, steady, undeniable. Your power was never gone. You don't need to shout to be heard. You don't need to chase love to be valued. Respect starts the moment you respect yourself again. So today, promise yourself this. No more walking on eggshells. No more begging for peace. You raised a child. You built a life. You've earned your dignity, and now it's time to live in it.